Hi, my name is Charmaine Husum with Center of the Heart, Art Therapy and Somatic Counseling. And we are going to be diving deep learning at the Lemurian Life Expo this August in 2025 during the Lionsgate portal. The course that I'm going to be sharing with you, the workshop will be on channeling psychedelics for lasting healing using art. This workshop is going to focus on ways that you're able to continue your connection to non-ordinary states, to psychedelic states, as a way for those to have the greatest impact of healing on your psyche. By using creative means, by accessing the deeper brainwave states, which occur during channeling, you're going to learn ways to connect with the spirits of the psychedelic medicines, whether they be plant, animal, or synthetic based. So as we develop a relationship to these medicines psychically, we can continue to access their wisdom and support when it's needed, long after a medicine journey has occurred. This experiential workshop combines meditation and creative approaches, utilizing means of our oldest indigenous ancestors to understand and the deep complexities that are held within the spirit of psychedelic experiences and the ways that they bring healing. I look forward to seeing you there. Blessings.